Hey guys, George here from Rodros Outdoors. Thank you for joining me on my channel again. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your own nightcrawler farm or worm farm. I got some of these ideas from other YouTubers and what they're doing, and decided to do my own video on my own version. Things you're going to need is a little plastic container. If you want to go big, you can get a bigger one. It doesn't really matter. I'm going to start out with a small one. You can get these at Walmart, Amazon, anywhere. They're like $6-7. You want some cricket food. That's what I'm going to be using for food. You can get banana peels, tea bags, coffee grains. It doesn't really matter. Any waste of food can go to the worms. Some organic soil. You want to make sure it's organic. You don't want all the chemicals and everything you put inside the soil. You want organic. A drill, a shovel, some water, and of course some worms, which I already have a smaller version, what I'm going to show you guys today, but I'm going to make it into a bigger version. Okay, so here we go. First thing you want to do is make some holes to ventilate, get some air inside the plastic. You can use a 3/16 drill bit or a little bit bigger. I prefer a 3/16, so just make a hole every 2 or 3 inches, just enough to get some air going through. I'm going to go ahead and make a couple holes. Next thing you want to do is you want to put the soil in it. So I'm going to go ahead and pour some soil. You want to fill up at least half the plastic container. You don't want to go too much so the night crawlers can crawl up to the front. I actually got a big bag. You guys can get smaller bags. I just wanted to do big. Alright, next thing you want to do is you want to put a little bit of water. Most important thing on the worm farm is you want to make sure that soil is very moist. They like a lot of moist in their soil. So pour some water. Then you want to mix it up. Get that water all over. You want to get the soil wet enough to where when you grab the soil, you pack it, it makes lumps out of it. That's when you know it's ready. Then the most important thing of all, the night crawlers, which I have quite a bit over here already. This is the same thing I'm doing, but in a smaller version. I have breadcrumbs. I'll talk about what to feed them in a little bit. Just get the night crawlers and throw them in there and get them out of here. As you can see, I got a lot of night crawlers. Just spread them out everywhere in there. Alright, next thing you want to do is make sure they're moist, so you might want to put a little bit more water on top of them. And it's going to look like this. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a bunch of night crawlers in there on the top. Then you just put the cap on. Put it somewhere humid, not too hot, nowhere near the sun. You don't want the sun. They don't like the heat, so if you have it out in the sun a lot, they will die. So make sure you can put it in a basement, an attic, anywhere where it's out of the sun, it's not that hot in there. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys what I feed them. Like I said, you can use banana peels, you can use rice, you can use coffee grains, you can use tea bags. There's a lot of things that they'll eat. Cardboard, you can put newspapers on there. They lay their castings on there. I mean, these things will produce really quick by next month. And I'll do a review on so far a month from now how many babies I have or how many castings I have. What I like to use is cricket food. You can get, I actually didn't think it was going to be this big. I got this for $8.99 on Amazon, and it came with this big bottle. I probably got like 2 years worth of nightcrawler food here. But cricket food is made by Fluker's High Calcium Cricket Diet. So pretty much all you want to do is just get a little bit and sprinkle it all around. By tomorrow you won't even see that. It'll probably be all in the bottom, and they already ate it. Put a fair amount, and it's gonna look like that. Okay? And that's all you feed them. Like I said, you can put banana peels or anything else. Also, what's very important is you need to keep this moist. I would say about once a week, get a spray bottle and spray them. Just mist it, like spray the whole soil. Might want to get your hands in there. You're gonna get dirty if you want to do this. Get your hands in there, mix it all up. Also, what helps is if you moist the cap. Just spray all on the inside of the cap. So once you cap it, you got all that moisture in there, and it's actually gonna drip little by little into the soil. But that's it, guys. This is how to make a worm farm. You could do the same exact thing on big version. I know some people that build their own boxes, and they literally got thousands of worms. I just use it for fishing, so I don't need that much. I think this will work out great. I'll do a follow-up in a month and see if I have any castings in there, if I have any baby worms or so. Most important thing, everything I showed you guys, make sure you do it, because if you don't, they will not produce, and you'll just pretty much be using the worms you already put in there. You want babies to grow in there. Okay? So thanks for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video.